Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. This is with my newest build, the SEX 30 platform, if you will. Nothing much about the SEX except for the size. It's a 30 scale. It's all Endura and Furatech built. Let's take her for a second run. And up in the top description, if you want to hit that link on the build and the maiden run, you can. This truck is very my most capable SEX 30. It can pretty much do anything I want it to. I also have the larger pin tires that just came out from Endura with the inserts, silicone inserts, and they work very well. Oh, there we go. We'll go up here. And again, this is my indoor 30 scale course. The only thing with this truck is it does sit a little low, so it does bottom out. But again, if you can get over that, as I do, it is a super capable rock crawler. And I was not paying attention. Almost went off the bridge. It just handles everything with so much, with no effort at all. See, most trucks don't bottom out there for me. Go over some real rocks. And then we'll master this. Which took an awkward line because I don't want to bottom out. And you can see how easy that was. And we'll go down the hill. Oh, couldn't save it. That's alright, guys. Now we're going to go up another extremely hard part. This thing's super steep for most of my trucks, and this is not going to have any problems going up it, as you can see. And we're going to see how well it can do going down this. I've never tried this with this truck. There we go. And we'll hit the rock section. Fun little section I put together. And with no problems at all, it got up it. Now we'll hit this gap here. This is a fun little gap. I'm just going to take it over just like that. And then we're going to take it up the steep part right here. Nice and slow. This truck has plenty. Oh, yeah, caught it up on that. My bad. But again, we'll go over here, up and over. and take it down here. We'll go through the mud pit. Right into the mud pit. Right out. We'll hit this nice section right here. And then we'll cut it. And we'll go up here. Try not to go over the tree. But then this cool little section I built right here. Hopefully that left rear tire doesn't fall, and it does not. And what we're gonna do is come down here, hopefully not flip it. I kind of took a little bit more of an aggressive line than I wanted, but you can see the steering angle of this thing is awesome. We'll go through the tunnel. There it comes. Sand pushes it a little bit. And then we'll go up one of my favorite gaps right here. Fun little gap. And then not many of my trucks can hit this gap right here. They usually fail right here. This truck, I have gotten it up, but it is hard to get the grip. But these bigger tires get a really good grip. They sink in and squish, the squish factor, I like to say. And then we'll go here, take it real close to this entrance, and then cut it. Just like that. You can see that tire just forming to the rocks and staying on. And there it is, guys. I'm going to take it down to one more section. And then we'll call it a day. I'm going to go up this easy section. Usually don't use this section much, but just for all purposes, for hitting up every line on this course that I built. And this fall I'm going to build some more lines. We'll hit this line up. I'm going to try to hit the harder line and stay to the left. Not many trucks can hit this line. Even this one has troubles because of how the contour is, but I think we got it. It will, yeah, see? Just got to gun it. And then we take it up this last steep section right here, trying not to hit the Yellowstone National Park sign I built with my 3D printer. Getting a little slipping action. Take it a little slower, gun it up. Yeah, and most trucks will not bottom out like this one just did. All right. And we're gonna just do this. We're gonna park it next to this beautiful truck near the Yosemite sign. All right, guys. 30 scale buggy build. In the comments section, let me know what your thoughts are. And again, hit that like and subscribe button if you like the content. Thanks for watching. RC Flyer out.